I'm Rio Panapa. I'm a musician and vlogger, and like you, I'm in lockdown for the next 4 weeks at home in Rotorua with my whānau. Keeping healthy, physically and mentally during this time is so important, and music for me is a big part of that. Over the next month, my goal is to lift the spirits of viewers by connecting with other musicians around the motu, sharing their waiata and thoughts with us. Get ready to be lifted. Tawaroa Kawana is a talented singer and songwriter who began his music career on New Zealand's Got Talent in 2012. Fast forward to 2017, Tawaroa and Māori pop sensations Maimoa music burst onto the scene, and through social media are able to connect instantly with their fan base. This is Tawaroa Kawana on Lifted. Eish, how are you, my brother?
Well, good, my brother. How are you?
I'm good, bro. You're looking well, looking good.
Oh, I'm trying to keep well.
Firstly, bro, where are you in the country and who are you isolating with?
So I'm in Palmerston North, with my whānau at mum and dad's house. So there's mum, dad, me, my sister, her partner and baby, my little brother, my niece and my cousin. So there's a few of us here.
The whole tribe, eh, Dub?
Yeah, Dubby.
And how are the whānau, bro? What's the feeling like in the house? How's everyone doing?
Oh, it's pretty good, bro. We got like sort of a routine happening. My routine's wake up at 1 p.m.
Zoom till 6 a.m?
Yeah, Dubby.
Hey, Dub.
We got a good stuff happening here. It's
Yeah, mean, awesome, bro. And Maimoa Music, you guys have got a brand new album. You've got a new single on that album. And you guys have also just put out your guys' new show, Waiata Nation. How's that all going, bro? And how are you guys sort of promoting that, but being in lockdown and being separated?
Well, I guess the universe has pulled through because being in lockdown is the promotion because everyone has no choice but to watch it.
True that, bro. True that.
So, it's come at a good time for our TV series, bro. So it airs every Thursday night, 8:30 p.m. And yeah, just following the journey of our album creation.
Yeah.
And each individual's journey and their own song as well. So yeah, cool, bro.
Cool, man. And I guess that's the choice thing about Maimoa Music is that you guys are really engaged with your fans individually because there's so many of you. You're all pretty on, eh, when it comes to the social media stuff.
Yeah, bro, and we all try to support each other as much as we can as well because at the end of the day, it's for te reo Māori. So, try to push that out there.
Mean, bro, awesome. And so a lot of people, bro, or everybody knows that you're an amazing, gifted singer, bro. You're a part of Maimoa Music. But what people may not know is that you're actually a NZ champion lifter. Just quietly, eh, Dub?
Just quietly, Dubby. Yeah, just quietly.
How are you like maintaining your lifting? Being in isolation.
Bro, so I actually had some weights that I brought down from Auckland.
Yeah.
The tires nearly popped bringing them down, but kept quiet. They got here.
Yeah.
My dad actually built me a rig, bro. Shall I show you?
Bro, love to see it. Take us around, cuz. Oosh.
Well, first of all, at the iwi, got to have the appropriate footwear. As you can see, this whānau's red band gang. Now we're ready. So this is the rig here at the whānau. This is one of Dad's old scaffold frames. Got some wood in there, bit of Māori ingenuity. Let's go. All right, at the whānau, so here we got the squat. Boom. We got a bench press. And here we got a deadlift. We even got a pull-up by whānau. Up. Maybe not the man who set up the rig. Papa Manu. He's on. Check this one out, whānau. Homemade gate. Ain't nobody getting in here, mate.
Hey, Dubby, just a note on that gate. Whose idea was it and who are you trying to keep out?
Mum and Dad trying to keep people out from me, Dubby. Very good.
Crack up, Dubby. So, bro, tell us, it kind of just seems like the list just keeps going on, bro. All the things that you're out there doing and smashing. You're also a massive social influencer, bro, for our young people. and everyone out there knows that you're the Tristle King. Do you want to talk us through that, bro? What it is, or maybe give us a demo?
Oh, bit of a demo?
Hey.
What song, Dubby? Got us a song?
I like that Stevie Wonder one you do, Dub.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's us.
No words, Dub. No words. Beautiful, my bro. Brother, once again, thank you, man, for all of your time spent with us here today. I really appreciate you taking time away from your whānau to have a chat with us, bro, and just lift the spirits of everyone out there in isolation. Is there anything that you want to say to the people out there, bro, of Aotearoa?
Stay happy, stay safe, but most of all, stay inside, stay at home.
Well said, my bro. Thank you again, Dubby, and I'll leave you to have the last word, bro, and take us out with one more jam.
Che mai, Dubby. Love you, Dubby.
Love you, bro. Che bara.
Che mai, bro.
Kia ora te whānau. I'm going to sing Te Aho Maira. It's a beautiful song and it's quite well known around Aotearoa and around the world right now. So I've asked the bro Rio to chuck the lyrics up for you guys if you just want to sing along. Hope you enjoy. Stay safe, stay at home, but most of all, stay happy.